Slam Pluto into Earth. Alright, let's slam Pluto into Earth at 30 kilometers per second. The impact releases 59 million times more energy than the asteroid that killed the dinosaurs. It creates a basin thousands of kilometers wide, punching straight through the crust into the mantle. Pluto is 30% ice. This ice becomes 3 times as much water as Earth's current oceans. The collision also slows Earth's rotation by an hour. After Earth cools and settles, the new water from Pluto's ice floods the surface. Sea levels rise by hundreds of meters. The Amazon basin floods. Half of Africa goes underwater. The eastern United States disappears. But the strangest change is the atmosphere. Over the impact site, atmospheric pressure reaches 170 times normal. The pressure equals being 1,700 meters underwater while standing on dry land. Military submarines would be crushed instantly at the surface. Most of Earth becomes habitable with normal air pressure. The continents are smaller but still there. This new Earth could support life, but the impact region keeps its crushing atmospheric pressure, a permanent dead zone where nothing can survive.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.